In my last video, I have completed the electronic configuration and the properties of S block elements, the P block elements, the D block and the F block elements. I hope with the help of modern periodic table, you are understanding the properties of all these blocks: S block, P block, D block and F block. And now coming on to the new topic today, that is metals, non-metals and metalloids. I believe you already have information or knowledge regarding these and you studied these in class 10. But still, we will again study these in class 11 in this chapter and will move forward. With all these back knowledge, we will move forward and try to understand this chapter. Let us come to the properties of metals. What are metals? Number one, metals comprise more than 78% of all known elements and appear on the left hand side of the modern periodic table. I have written here MPT. By MPT, I mean modern periodic table. Modern periodic table. So see here on the left hand side. This is the left hand side of the modern periodic table, and you can see that all metals lie mostly on the left hand side. I told you they comprise mostly 78% of the modern periodic table. Coming to property number 2. What is this? Metals are solids at room temperature. You know this? Third one, usually they have high melting and boiling points. Fourth one, they are very good conductors of heat and electricity. Some excellent examples are silver. Some excellent examples are silver, copper and aluminium. Number 5, they are malleable and ductile. I hope you understand what is malleability and what is ductility. Then I come to the non-metals. This is the non-metals. What are non-metals? These are located at the top right hand side of modern periodic table. Top right hand side. This is the top right hand side of the modern periodic table. And here we have non-metals. Property number 2. Usually the non-metals are gases or solids at room temperature with a contrasting feature with low melting and boiling points. Third property, you know, they are poor conductors of heat and electricity. They are poor conductors of what? Heat and electricity. Property number 4, mostly they are brittle and are neither malleable nor ductile. Property number 5, non-metallic character increases as we go from left to right in the modern periodic table. As we move from left to right in a period, or as we move from left to right across a period, the non-metallic character is going to increase. Now coming to metalloids. What are metalloids? Let me tell you, children. The third category, metalloids, means those elements which exhibit the properties of both metals and non-metals. For example, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurium. Silicon Si, germanium Ge, arsenic As, antimony Sb and tellurium Te. Please see here. Silicon, germanium, arsenic, and Te, these are all the zigzag line. This is called the zigzag line in the modern periodic table, and these are known as metalloids. One more term we employ, these are also called semi-metals. I hope today you have understood very well about the characteristics of D block, the F block, and finally you have clearly understood what are metals, non-metals and metalloids. Thank you very much. I'll continue in the next video.